Hey guys, how you doing? It's Matt with Redo Luxury, and I have some watches. So we have a new unboxing. I'm going to unbox and see what watches Kimmy bought. So it'll be a surprise to me and see what we have. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go ahead, like, subscribe. We appreciate it very much. I'm also live on TikTok, so I might be looking both ways here. Okay, let's open up and see what we have. All right. Also put in the comments below, let me know what type of watches you would like to get in. Are you Gucci? Are you Rolex? Are you Cartier? Are you Tiffany watches? What would you like?
Chanel.
Chanel watches.
A lot.
All right. The bubble wrap. Okay, first box is a Gucci. All right, let's take a peek. Woo, thought I almost dropped her. Very pretty. Has some extra links. Very classy watch by Gucci. Sometimes Gucci can have, is a little bit out there, but this is a nice, cute Gucci watch. But beautiful Gucci watch, very dainty. But this does come with the box, and it does come with some extra links. And just judging by the box, it looks like it is a little bit vintage Gucci. All right, next box. This watch doesn't come with a box, but looks like a gold watch. And another Gucci timepiece.
Focusing.
Very pretty. Almost has like a, if you're familiar with Rolex, like a meteorite type of face on there, but like a multicolor. Okay, looks like the last one. Ooh, Cartier. You didn't tell me you got Cartier, did you?
I did tell you.
Got a Cartier box. We love Cartier, very classy. From a watch standpoint, I think Cartier watches are very underrated. Mainly known for the jewelry. Cartier box. Ooh, there it is. There is the, oh, this is nice. This is the famous red box. So it looks like it comes with some literature. Comes with the Cartier book. And let me see what we have here. Love the case. And Cartier. Some straps. Let me open her up and see what we have. Oh my gosh. What? Kimmy surprised me. Wow.
Is that the one you wanted?
This is beautiful. I was not expecting a men's watch. This is the Calibre de Cartier. This is actually a diver's watch. I was wanting Kimmy to buy this watch. Mainly for me, but to build up our men's line.
I told him it was sold out.
She did. She tricked me. And this is a beautiful timepiece. Wow, look at that. That is going to hit the website.
No, that is going on
later.
Your hand.
I said later. I'm going to wear this. So this is. I love this. This is a discontinued model. They discontinued this in 2018. I'll put it on a strap later. But it's actually a diver's watch. I love this right here. This is 18 karat rose gold. So I love the two-tone effect. Yeah, this is a beautiful watch. I love this. One thing we're going to start doing is building our men's collection, our men's watch. All right, that was really exciting. A small little watch box opening. Kimmy surprised me with the beautiful Cartier. My first luxury watch. Very excited about it. Thank you so much. It wasn't a surprise. I was like, hey, I like this watch. Then she does the, oh, it's sold out, so I was not expecting it. But thank you guys for watching. Again, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the Calibre de Cartier, and if you'd wear it.